Hello YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak and bypass iCloud activation screen on iOS 14.7.1. Link is in description. You can download all files from there. Today I have an iPad 7th generation. So I'm gonna show you that this iPad is on activation lock. As you can see, it's on iOS 14.7.1. Now I'm gonna show you that it's on iCloud activation screen. As you can see, it's locked. So let me show you on iPad as well. See, it's on iCloud activation lock. I do not know the iCloud ID and the password. First, we need to jailbreak this iPad. As we all know, checkrin do not work on Windows. It only works with Mac and Linux operating systems. I will create a bootable drive to run checkrin. So run Rufus and plug in USB drive. Now select boot in ISO and click start. It will create a bootable drive for your PC to run checkrin. After creating drive, restart your PC and boot it with USB drive. I'm on HP PC. The boot key is F9. After running checkrin, connect your iDevice. So now I'm gonna connect my iPad. It says that iPad is supported but iOS 14.7.1 is not. So I'm gonna go to options and select allow untested iOS version. Click start and click yes, and it will put your device into recovery mode. This method will work for all iOS 14.7.1 devices. Now put your device into DFE mode. As you all can see, my device is in DFE mode and it will start jailbreaking it. iPad is successfully jailbroken. Now we'll go back to Windows and bypass it. Now let me show you again that it is still on activation lock. So now extract bypass tool. Now go to tool bin folder and run bypass program. make sure to connect your iPad. It will show you the current version of your iPad. You will have to register first if you're using this tool for the first time. So I have already registered. It's completely free. So now I'm going to log in with my email address. As you can see, I have successfully logged in. Now I'll click on check compatibility option, and it will give you the best and suitable method for your iDevice. I'm gonna click untethered bypass, and it will start bypassing my iPad. It will take a few seconds to bypass activation screen. Your device might restart several times during this process. As you can see, I have successfully bypassed my iPad. Now I'm going to set it up. Let me show you that this iPad is on iOS 14.7.1. As you can see, it's on iOS 14.7.1. Now I'm going to show you that it's working properly. You can browse, you can download apps, you can even sign in your iTunes account. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Let me know in comment section if anything goes wrong or you have any issue regarding this bypass process. Till then, make sure to subscribe my channel, and peace out.